Have you ever faced communication problem when you go to 7-Eleven in Thailand? If yes, don't close the video. Keep watching and I teach you how to talk with them. Street Thai, learn Thai the way it's really spoken. Here are some necessary words and phrases you need when you go to 7-Eleven. Let's get started. When you want to ask, do you have? You say, me. What you want to buy? My. For example, do you have a SIM card? Me. SIM card. My. Me SIM card. My. Very simple. By the way, don't forget to add krab or ka at the end to make it polite. มีซิมการ์ดไหมคะมีซิมการ์ดไหมครับ And when you cannot find what you are looking for and you want to ask where is, you can say what you looking for and then อยู่ที่ไหน For example, where is a toothbrush? You say แปรงสีฟันอยู่ที่ไหนแปรงสีฟันอยู่ที่ไหนคะแปรงสีฟันอยู่ที่ไหนครับ And when you buy an instant food or frozen food and you want them to heat it up, you can say อุ่นให้ด้วยค่ะ or อุ่นให้ด้วยครับ Could you please heat it up? An easier version, you can also say เวฟให้ด้วยค่ะเวฟให้ด้วยครับ Wave is from a word microwave, but we shorten the word and we use it as a verb. Wave means heat up with a microwave. Okay? เวฟให้ด้วยค่ะเวฟให้ด้วยครับ Like that. Thai people use a lot of plastic in daily life. For example, at 7-Eleven, when you go buy even a small thing like a pack of chewing gum, they put that in the plastic bag and give it to you. Or when you buy a drink, they give you a plastic straw and that straw is covered by a plastic. So if you want to join Reduce Plastics campaign and save the world, you can say ไม่เอาถุงค่ะไม่เอาถุงครับ It means no plastic bag please. And if you want to say no straw please, you say ไม่เอาหลอดค่ะไม่เอาหลอดครับ No straw please. It's better. Save the world. That's all for today. I hope I can make your life easier when you go to 7-Eleven. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, click share, or make a comment. And see you in the next video. ขอบคุณค่ะ